Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College. Just talking you through a recent trade that we've taken from our live trading room and just giving you a bit of ethos and background surrounding it and how it might have worked. So you can see here, this is the German index, the DAX 40. And you can see recently we've had a little bit of a revival rather to the upside. Now, there's been a couple of interesting reasons why we thought this might have happened. So first of all, we've had a move down since 2022, and it really looked like it was kind of waning thing and struggling on the downside. This last couple of push downs kind of really didn't have as much momentum as this one, so to speak. So really all this was a PTS trade, or pro trading system trade, and it really is that simple. So first and foremost, we get this here. This is our pro trading system candlestick signal. So it goes from red, red, red to green. We had a red, and then we hit a nice green here, which gave us our entry at around 12,500. It was just below 12,500 with the stop loss you can see here at 11,982. So that was a nice decent stop loss. It then threw up three targets to the upside. We've already hit target number 1 and target number 2. We are just waiting for target number 3 to be hit. Now, not only was there that pro trading system confirmation, we also had this here, which is called a momentum trigger. So this is from our proprietary storyteller indicator. It went from below the zero line to above the zero line. And normally when I get that signal with both of them together, the PTS and the momentum trigger, I'm super happy with the trade. So we've now clicked this. This has gone really, really nicely to the upside. Just like I said, waiting for that third target to come to fruition. You can see it's up here at 13,617. As soon as that gets hit, I'm pretty much out of the trade. But the good thing about it is when the trade moves so well for you at the beginning, you can move your risk to break even. So really, I'm completely risk-free in this trade, letting it run, seeing how far it goes, and hopefully it can hit my third target. And I'll be very, very happy with this outcome. So happy days. Good trade so far. Let's see how it progresses for the rest of the week leading into next week.